Hey! Page ortho again. I'm gonna need a portable scan.
Did I die? Am I dead?
Nisha, you are very much alive, okay?
But I'm in heaven. I never believed in heaven before, but here I am, in heaven.
Nisha, this isn't heaven. I don't think. I guess I don't really know, actually. You know, I mean, there are so many things we don't know.
But you are both so pretty. Like angels in yellow.
I am so sorry, love.
My mom calls me love, but I've never been in love. I didn't want to die before being in love, but I guess I had to die to find love. In heaven.
We have an ortho team coming in, so we're gonna have to move you to make room for...
Oh my God.
Someone asked for an ortho god?
It is heaven.